Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Siemens NX. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to model this component. While modeling this component I have faced little issue here. Now I am going to compare with the Creo. First I am going to model the same component using Creo. So I have opened Creo parametric. This is our model. Now first go to new, part solid, untick this default template, just save OK. Now our units are in mm, choose the mm template, just save OK. First we'll start with this plate, so I'm just taking the right plane, sketch view, just draw the center line, start with the base circle, just close it. The circle diameter is 50. Just fit the screen. Now we'll create these two circles. Further, just draw this circle with a radius of 22. This, and put one more line here. The center distance from here to just mirror the circle. Center distance between this circle is 64. Just connect these two lines. Just delete this line. Just connect it. Make this also be a tangent. Go here. Make this as a tangent. The center distance is 64 and the radius of the circle is 22. And the center height from this side to the center is 108. Go to the dimension. From here to here the distance is 108. Press the roller to confirm. Now simply connect this with here. And one more line from here to somewhere here. Here we just make a tangent connection. Just click this one. These two should be tangent. Similarly, these two should be tangent. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Here these two are not connected. Use the coincident take a line, just connect it. Now we got the sketch. Just save OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. Thickness of the plate is 12 mm. Rotate it. Save OK. Now we'll create the cylinder. Select the surface. Sketch view. Take a reference of the circle. Then close it. Take a circle. Press the roller to confirm. Just save OK. Extrude. The extrusion length is 20 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Then we'll create this rib. To create this rib, select this mid plane, sketch view. Take a reference of this edge and this edge, then close it. To create a rib, just simply put one line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Save OK. Here use the profile rib, change the direction. Here you can see it has to specify the thickness. Thickness is 12 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Now you can see the rib is created very nicely. Now we will create the finally 3 holes. Take this hole, place it here, press the control and select this axis. The diameter of the hole is 26. and to next. Just say OK. Similarly, here we just want to create it. For that, we will not be having any axis here. To get the axis, go to the sketch, edit, just put one datum point, then we will get automatically one axis. Just say OK. Here you can see now we get axis. Now take the hole, just close it, take the standard hole, place it here, press the Ctrl and select this axis. Diameter of the hole is 20. To next, press the roller to confirm. Again take the hole, place it here, press the Ctrl and select this axis. Diameter of the hole is 20. To next, say OK. Now we have finished this modeling. The same model we are going to create it in the NX. Now just go to the NX tool, go to the sketch, right plane, say OK, take the circle, the diameter of the circle is 50, say yes, press the roller to confirm. Then we just want to create two whole circles. Take circle, here one circle, and here the diameter is 44. Press the roller to confirm. Just select the circle, go for mirror, select this center line, it will get mirror, say OK. Then take a line. Now just specify the center distance is 64. From here, this is 64. Press the roller to confirm. Now take a line from here to here. Now the height from here to here is 108. From here to here, the height is 108. Press the roller to confirm. Now just connect the lines. Take the multiple lines from here to here. Press the roller. Then again here and here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. All the lines are tangent. Now go to the trim. Just remove this one. Just close it. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Make it symmetric value. The extrusion is 12 mm. Just say OK. Hide the sketch. Now we have created this base plate. Then go for the cylinder here. Just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take the circle. Here make it entire assembly. This point. Here. Just OK. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Extrusion length is 20. Just say OK. Then we just want to create a rib. Here only we are having issues. To create a rib, similarly just go to the sketch again. Take the front plane. Just say OK. Now we just want to put a one line from here to here. Take the line. Here make it entire assembly. From this point to this point. Here you can see here it is constrained. This distance is from 108 minus 25. 108 minus 25. Just say no. 83. And this side is just 20. Scroll to confirm. Now you can see the sketch is fully defined. Just finish the sketch. Then go for the rib. Here you can see so large cannot be capped the open profile smart volume. So the same error only you will get. To get the proper rib here. So like in Creo, you cannot able to create in NX. To get the proper rib, what you want to do is go to the sketch again, edit, just extend this line to little bit more from here to somewhere here. Just delete it, take a line, just delete, take a line, just connect it here. Now we have created this sketch, then finish the sketch, then go for the rib, select the cover, this one. Now here you can see, now you can able to create the rib, just say OK. So this is the only possible way we can create the rib in the NX. Hide the sketch. Now we have created the rib, then we'll go for the holes. Go take the hole, select this edge, select this edge. Now we have this two hole with a diameter of 20. Normal to face until next, subtract, just apply it. Then again take the hole and place it here. Place it here. Now the diameter of the hole is 26. Until next, subtract, just say OK. Now the component is ready. So this is the way we can create. The only difference is here we can simply create a rib by putting one line, but in the NX we just want to put one more line to create the rib, this kind of geometry features. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.